Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about the Android support library. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. The Android SDK tools include a number of libraries collectively called the Android support library. This package of libraries provides several features that are not built into the standard Android framework and provides backward compatibility for older devices. Include any of these libraries in your app to incorporate that library's functionality. Note that the Android support library is a different package from the Android testing support library you learned about in our previous video. The testing support library provides tools and APIs just for testing, whereas the more general support library provides features of all kinds but no testing. The features of the Android support library include backward compatible versions of framework components. These compatibility libraries allow you to use features and components available on newer versions of the Android platform even when your app is running on an older platform version. For example, older devices may not have access to newer features such as fragments, action bars, or material design elements. The support library provides access to those features on older devices. Additional layout and user interface elements. The support library includes views and layouts that can be used for your app but are not included in the standard Android framework. For example, the recycler view is part of the support library. Support for different device form factors such as TV or wearables. For example, the leanback library includes components specific to app development on TV devices. Design support. The design support library includes components to support material design elements in your app, including floating action buttons, FAB, and various other features such as palette support, annotations, percentage-based layout dimensions, and preferences. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.